Enjoy the view of this 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Meticulously engineered for power and control, the Camaro's muscle and agility is the stuff of legends. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Who knew this much power could feel so refined? Test drive the Camaro and see for yourself.